Hello, wonderful class. I hope you are all doing well by His grace. We thank God for how far He has brought us. Today, we'll look at an interesting topic that has to do with Introduction to Spreadsheet Application. I take it again. Introduction to Spreadsheet Application. Let's look at the objectives. We say by the end of the lesson, the pupil will be able to 1. Identify electronic spreadsheets and their uses. 2. Come out with the uses of electronic spreadsheets. Then the third one is the interface of Microsoft Excel. Let's begin to start. The first item, what is spreadsheet application? We say that spreadsheet application, per its definition, it is a set of instructions or programs that is used for calculations and numerical analysis. It is a set of instructions or programs that is used for calculations or numerical analysis. So with the help of the spreadsheet application, we are able to calculate and also analyze a given set of data. Let's look at some examples of spreadsheet application. One is Microsoft Office Excel. Microsoft Office Excel. We also have VP Plan. VP Plan. Smart Cracker. Lotus 1, 2, 3. Lotus 1, 2, 3. We also have VisiCalc. VisiCalc. We have Open Office Calc. Open Office Calc. We also have Quattro Pro. Quattro Pro. LibreOffice Calc. And Ability Spreadsheet. We have a lot of the examples. But for the purposes of our discussion and our learning, based on the content, we will limit ourselves to these examples. The next item is the uses of electronic spreadsheet application. What do we use it for? The first one is it is used for numerical analysis. It is used for numerical analysis. The second one, it is used for accounting and financial analysis. It is used for accounting and financial analysis. With this, the accountant is able to use this software to analyze the trading profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So it is used for accounting and financial analysis. Another important use is that it is used in the area of sales management. And with the sales management, they will be able to know whether the goods are running out of stock, which they need to replace. They'll be able to monitor what comes in and what goes out so that there will not be shortage. Sales management. They will also be able to, it is also used in the area of tax preparation. A classical example is the Ghana Revenue Authority that is mandated by law. They will be able to use that software to prepare taxes for businesses, companies, and other corporate entities. So they'll prepare the tax and know the amount every individual or company is supposed to pay to the government in order for them to use it to develop the country. So they use the spreadsheet application to prepare tax. It is also used to prepare budget. As individuals, we can prepare our own budget. As a company or corporate entity, they can also prepare their own budget. They also use it to prepare budget for the country, which is being presented to the members of parliament by the finance minister. So it is used to prepare budget for the country. We also use the spreadsheet application to keep proper record. Let's take, for instance, in our school setting, if you want to know the number of computers that we have, the number of pupils that we have, the number of items within the office, the library, the individual classrooms, we are able to do so with the help of the spreadsheet application to keep proper record for the school or any organization or institution. It is also used for statistical analysis. With this, the statistical service department, they are able to come out with an idea, a projected figure. They'll be able to use the software to analyze, to be able to know those who are minors and those who are eligible to register to vote within the country. That is to know the entire population census and also give other analysis for the government to base on it to take important decisions. It is also used in the area of data analysis. Example has to do with our examination results. We are able to use the spreadsheet application to analyze the given set of results. One will say, how do we launch Microsoft Excel? Now, to launch Microsoft Excel using the Start button, the first thing you need to do is to click on the Start button. Where do we locate the Start button? The Start button is located on the taskbar. The second point, from the Start menu, you click on All Programs. From the Start menu, you click on All Programs. The next point, from the Program menu, locate on Microsoft Office Suite. Microsoft Office Suite. From the sub menu, click on Microsoft Excel to display the Excel window. I hope you are okay with it because this is not any difficult process. If you want to launch Microsoft Office Excel, what are the steps? Can you try? That is wonderful. Great. So you click on the Start button to display the Start menu. Then from the Start menu, you click on All Programs. From the Program menu, locate on Microsoft Office Suite. Then from the Sub menu, you click on Microsoft Excel to display the Excel window. That is wonderful. Now, this is an example of Microsoft Office Excel window. We will limit ourselves to 2003 for now. Let's look at some of the features for Microsoft Office Excel 2003. We have the title bar, which is the blue bar located at the top. This deep blue bar located at the top. We learned that the title bar contains the file name and the application name. And for Microsoft Office Excel, the file name is Book 1 at default, and application name is Microsoft Excel. On the title bar, we have the close button. That is the maximize button, we have the control box, that is the maximize button, the minimize button, and also the close button. That is wonderful. Let's continue. Just below the title bar, we have the menu bar. It contains commands used to manipulate the window. We have the file menu, edit menu, view menu, insert, format, tools, data, window, and help. Just below the menu bar, we also have the standard toolbar, and also we have the formatting toolbar. We also have the name box. Microsoft Excel is having the name box. We also have the formula bar. The formula bar is the longest bar, which is used to make changes to the content within a cell. We also have column heading, where we have the letters. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, J, up to infinity. We call it column heading. That section is known to be the column heading. Then when we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is known to be the row heading, row headings. Now, we also have a cell. A cell is the intersection between a row and a column. One will ask, what is a row? A row is the horizontal portion of cell on a worksheet. Horizontal portion of a cell on a worksheet is a row. Column is a vertical portion of a cell on a worksheet, or it is a series of vertical lines that stretches from the top to the bottom across a worksheet. Across a worksheet. We also have the sheet tab. At default, we have 3 of the sheet tab. We have sheet 1. We call it sheet tab 1, sheet tab 2, and sheet tab 3. So at default, we have sheet tabs 3 within the Excel window. We also have the navigation button. We have the horizontal scroll bar. We have the vertical scroll bar. We also have a workbook. If you have 2 or more of the worksheets, it gives you a workbook. So we say that a workbook is a file which contains 2 or more worksheets. 2 or more worksheets. So if you have a file which contains 2 or more worksheets, it becomes a workbook. But if it is only one worksheet, it is known to be a worksheet. It's a single page within a workbook made up of cells. That is wonderful. We also have what is known to be the active cell. The active cell is the region or the location where the cursor is currently located, ready to receive data. Ready to receive data. That is what is known to be the active cell. So when a cell is active, the name of that cell will be displayed in the name box. So for this one, the active cell is A1. If you want to identify a cell by its name, it should begin with the column name followed by the row number. An active cell begins with the column name followed by the row number. I hope you were able to get the features for the Excel window. Some of the features for the Excel window. Now, I want us to go over what we've learned. We learned that spreadsheet application It is a set of instructions used for calculations and numerical analysis. It is a set of instructions used for calculations and numerical analysis. We were able to look out for some examples of spreadsheet application. One is Microsoft Excel. We also have the VP plan. We have Lotus 1, 2, 3, and many more. We're also able to look at some of the uses of spreadsheet application. We say that it is used for numerical analysis. It is used to prepare tax. It is also used to keep proper record of an organization or an institution. It is also used in the area of sales management. It is used in the area of accounting and also financial analysis. These are some uses of spreadsheet application. We also move further to look at how to launch the Microsoft Office Excel. We said you click on the Start button to display the Start menu. From the Start menu, you click on All Programs. Then from the Program menu, you click on Microsoft Office Suite. Then from the Sub menu, you click on Microsoft Office Excel to display the Excel window. We said we want to limit ourselves to Microsoft Office Excel 2003 window. And this is an example of the Excel window. We tried looking at some of the features for the Excel window, and we learned that one is the title bar. It displays the file name and application name. The title bar also contains the control box made up of the close button, the maximize button, and the minimize button. Just below the title bar, we have the menu bar. We also have the standard toolbar. We have the formatting toolbar. One of the features has to do with the name box. We have the formula bar. We have a cell. We also have the active cell. We have row. We have column. We have row heading. We have column heading. We have the sheet tab. We have a worksheet. We have a workbook. We also have the vertical scroll bar and the horizontal scroll bar. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. As part of the safety protocols, keep safe, observe social distance, wash your hand under running water with soap, and also observe all the safety protocols and also social distance. Take note, Ghana needs you alive. Your parents need you alive. The school also need you alive. Stay safe till we meet again. Bye-bye.